A doctor opens a clinic with a sign that says, "If I can't cure your illness, I'll give you $100. Otherwise, you pay me $20." Seeing that, a man visits him. Then the doctor asks him what is wrong. "I lost my sense of taste," says the man. Then the doctor asks a nurse to get the medicine from box 25 and puts 3 drops in the man's mouth. The man exclaims, "Is that urine? Congrats, you have been cured. That will be $20, says the doctor. The man gives the money a day after the man returns to the clinic to get his money back, saying, "I lost my memory." Then the doctor asks a nurse to get the medicine from box 25. The man says again, "Isn't that urine? Congrats, you have been cured of your amnesia. That will be $20, says the doctor. The man, fuming, pays the doctor. He returns a week later, determined to win the cash, saying, "I am going blind." The doctor responds, "Well, I don't have any medicine for that. Here, $100, but this is a $20 bill," says the man. "Congrats, you have been cured of your illness. That'll be $20, says the doctor.